Hi everyone, my name is Ainsley Touchberry and welcome to Coastal Carolina. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So as soon as you walk into the room, you see my blue ottoman. I got that from Marshall's Home Goods. Right here, my purple blanket, third blanket, I got from Ross. And then my bedspread I got from Urban Outfitters, and my big headboard I got from Urban Outfitters as well. And in the back of my bed, you see all these different pillows. Those came from various places like Marshall's and Ross. Over here, you see my big tall mirror. I got this from Burlington, and then my curtains I got from Walmart, and then my letters were handed down, and I just decorated them. Over here, you see my shelves, and I got these from Marshall's, and then my picture frames came from various places like Ross, TJ Maxx, you know the drill. Over here on my desk, my little pencil holder came from Ross, and then my lamp also came from Ross. This little picture frame right here that holds a bunch of pictures came from Gabe's, along with this mirror. And then you have my table runner that I use to go over my dresser. I ordered that off of Amazon, along with my big yellow rug. And you also see my nightstand that I also purchased from Ross, along with my little lion. Now let's do a quick bathroom tour. Alright, so I got these little lights that are motion detected, and those came from Ross. This little stand right here that holds all of my goodies came from Ross. My little jewelry holder came from Marshall's. My little toothpaste and toothbrush holder came from Marshall's as well. This little tray right here came from Home Goods. My shower curtain came from Big Lots. And then my floor mats came from Marshall's. And then my towels over here came from Walmart. And now in my closet, we have various ways to stay organized. All of these drawers over here came from Walmart. My shoe rack came from Big Lots. My hamper came from Big Lots. And then my pants holder over here, I ordered it off of Amazon. And yep, that's it. Welcome to Coastal Carolina.